Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun video today. I am doing a big collab with a bunch of YouTube moms. This is like a box exchange. I've never done an exchange before, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. This is for the Jewish holiday of Purim. If you're not familiar, Purim is a holiday that celebrates the story of Esther. It's a really beautiful holiday. It's fun, it's a noisy holiday, it's colorful. It's also a feast holiday, so food is a big element of this holiday. Food is a big element of a lot of Jewish holidays, but definitely at Purim. It is customary to exchange food baskets to go along with that, and so that's what all of us have done. We've sent along a little food parcel. I sent mine along already to Marty at Everyday Jewish Mom. I'm gonna link below all of the different ladies that collabed on this, and I have not opened my box, but I can already tell from the return address that mine came from my friend Melissa. I love Melissa. I've collabed with her many times before, and she's so sweet. I'm super excited though, specifically because Melissa, if you're watching, correct me if I'm wrong, Melissa, but her professional background is in the culinary field. She's a huge foodie. She does amazing things with food. If you're not following her, you should be. Aside from her videos, which always have amazing food content, her Instagram is like just this visual food heaven. It's beautiful. She does these amazing bento box lunches for her kids with like edible flowers in them. I mean, she's definitely goals. You need to go and check her out. Again, I'm gonna have everybody linked below, but I'm gonna dive in and see what I have here. From Little Kosher Lunch to Erica Terry DIY, Happy Purim. She put it on a little triangle here, so this kind of represents Haman's hat. Haman is the villain of the Purim story, and triangles kind of go along with that. That's why we eat triangle cookies called Hamantaschen and Purim. Dear Erica and family, I felt so fortunate to draw your name for this Mishlach Manot gift exchange. I pray this reaches you in a timely fashion and that you have fun unwrapping it. Feel free to let your little one make the felt Hamantaschen to her content. Hag Purim Sameach, Melissa, aka Little Kosher Lunch. Very sweet. I'm even more excited now to see what's in here. Oh wow, okay. She has really done some stuff. She has provided me a recipe, which is much appreciated. Hamantaschen cream cheese dough. Oh, how cute. I hope you give my recipe a try. I wish they were durable enough to ship to you. Hag Sameach. Yeah, I mean, Melissa, I would have loved to have received a homemade treat from you, but this is so, so cute. She's included here a recipe, so give my recipe. So is this a recipe you made yourself, Melissa? Let me know in the comments if you made this up yourself. It looks awesome. It's got cream cheese, butter, flour, milk or egg white, apricot filling, and then she's also got a recipe down here for her own Hamantaschen filling with walnuts in it, cinnamon, apricot filling. Sounds delicious. Definitely gonna give this a try. Looks pretty easy, not a whole lot of ingredients. Thank you, Melissa. And then this is so cute. Look at this. She included some coloring pages with the different Purim characters for my daughter. I mean, I assume they're for my daughter. I guess they could be for me, but that is so, so sweet. Really thoughtful to include something for her. Ooh, I'm seeing a lot of goodies in here. All right. Fruit bar, pure organic layered pineapple and passion fruit bar. Kind of like fruit leather is a pretty customary Purim basket food item. I've never tried this brand before. I think my daughter and I will both be excited to try that out. Ooh, pistachios. Very nice. And she did such pretty packaging with like these little washi tapes. Lovely. Smells good, Melissa. Oh, she gave me a lemon. Very sweet. Citrus is a very Purim-y thing. Sort of the idea behind the Purim basket is you want ready-to-eat foods to go along with your Purim pantry. Schmear. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Build a bagel card game. This is adorable. I've never heard of this game before, but this is so cute. Oh, how cute is this? So it's like a little card game, and you get card pieces that look like different elements of a loaded up bagel, and I guess you stack them. Stack up slices and use your noodle to become the player with the most munchies. Be sure to pile on plenty of cream cheese and lox because the player with the biggest bagel gets a bonus. This is so cute. And it says it's appropriate for ages 5 and up, so I guess you can play it with kids. My daughter will definitely love exploring that with me. That is so cute, and I love that it's like a game. You know, she put something in here that's not edible, but it's still food themed. Ooh, lovely. a chocolate bar, dark chocolate pretzels. Okay, chocolate and pretzels is my favorite thing in the world. What brand is this? I've never heard of it. Compartes? I don't know. Looks super, super cool. Definitely excited to give that a try. Oh, she included some crayons to go along with the coloring pages. So thoughtful. More of the fruit leather. Same flavor. Really cute. I'm loving these like new brands that I've never tried before. Another fruit leather. Ooh, Girl Scout cookies. What a score. Thank you. Lemon Ups. I've never tried these before either. Not this brand, I mean, not this flavor. I've definitely tried Girl Scout cookies before. Really cute. I love that it's lemon flavored to go along with the lemons in the package. Because yeah, there's a few more lemons in here. It looks like they might be different varieties. I wonder if they are. Melissa, are these different varieties of lemon? Like, is this a Meyer lemon? It smells very fragrant. Oh, I just thought of this. Did you grow these? Melissa, let me know if these came from your garden. She has the most amazing food garden. I'm not kidding you guys. You have to go check her out. I've got a plate of something. I've got some tongue compressors and I'm not sure what they're for. Oh, are these like little puppets, Melissa? And I can make little puppets? I bet that's what it is. I bet that's what it is. Okay, and then I've got something here to unwrap. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I am so excited about this. These are little felt Hamantaschen. Oh my gosh. And I mean, I think she made these. She makes stuff like this all the time. She does amazing things with felt for her kids. These are so incredible. Look how cute. We've got like different colors. How cute. She even put them on a little plate. My daughter is going to absolutely love these. And I've kind of talked about this before on my channel. I am Jewish. My husband is not. And so we celebrate Jewish holidays and non-Jewish holidays. And I always look for ways to make the Jewish holidays really fun and exciting for my daughter. Because as we all know, the other holidays, especially in the United States, can kind of eat up, you know, a lot of attention. And so really I want to find ways to make her love the Jewish traditions, really remember them from her childhood. And so stuff like this I absolutely love because I know she is going to really enjoy this. She loves her play kitchen. She loves little play food toys. She is going to adore these, and that was so thoughtful of you to include these, Melissa. I really appreciate it. I'm a little blown away actually by how thoughtful and full this package was. Like I said, check Melissa out. She does amazing stuff. You're not going to be sorry, and I'm going to link all the ladies below. Some amazing women doing amazing content, particularly if you're looking for stuff as a young Jewish mom raising a Jewish family. You're going to love the women linked below. Go on, check them out. Let them know that I sent you. I hope that if you're celebrating Purim, you have some fun stuff planned. I hope it's a beautiful holiday for you and your family. Thank you so much for checking me out. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new here. I'd love to have you join the community. I do lifestyle, DIY, crafts, cooking, decorating, party content all the time. And I really just love sharing what's going on in my life and hearing from you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.